Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, the smell, you can smell it. You just smell the cinnamon. Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, in my backyard again. It's not a very nice day today. It's a bit cloudy and a bit windy, so I apologise if I get a little bit of wind on the camera. But today I'm going to do a bit of a cook up. Going to make what I'm calling a cinnamon scroll damper. So first things first, need to make the damper. So 2 cups of self-raising flour, or thereabouts. Doesn't need to be spot on. Approximate's fine. A pinch of salt. A bit more than a pinch. Doesn't really matter. That'll do. Brown sugar. Around about a tablespoon. Just like that. So you just mix these up just to break up the sugar a little bit. Combine the salt. Next is about 60 grams of butter, which is about that. So you put that in there. And what you want to do is have all this combining to make what resembles breadcrumbs. This butter's a little bit hard still, so that's fine. We'll make it work. So once all the butter's combined, you can see it resembles somewhat of like breadcrumbs, I guess. So now, small little well in the middle there. 3/4 of a cup of the milk, the buttermilk. Put that in there. And now we're just going to combine it all until you get a nice dough to work with. So once all combined, you get what resembles, I guess, some dough. So now we're going to put it on the table, and we're going to have to knead it a little bit. So slightly sprinkle of flour on the table so it doesn't stick. Like that. I'm just going to knead it a little bit. Just like that, not too much. And we'll flatten it out and try and give it a bit of a roll. Now remember, this is campfire cooking, so it doesn't need to be pretty. But you want it to be pretty thin because we're going to be putting some more ingredients on top of the dough, and we're going to be rolling it as well, so you don't want it to be too thick, otherwise it won't cook. So there you go. So now what you want to do, grab some more of the brown sugar. You just want to coat, lightly spread it all the way around. I use the back of the spoon. Just like that. And then your cinnamon. Again, it's as much as what you like on there, the flavour wise. We'll just do a light sprinkling on there. The flavour will definitely come through. Just like that. Now simply, just need to roll it. So you just take up one edge. It's a lot better if it's square, but like I said, we're in the bush normally for this recipe, so it doesn't really matter. But basically, you just want to keep it fairly tight. There's a bit of flour on there still, but it doesn't matter. You just want to roll it up like that. Just like that. So what we'll do at the end here is just a little bit of buttermilk. Got left over in the cup. And this will just allow the dough to stick. Put some along there as well. Just like that. And then you roll that over said, it's not a very neat job, but you get the idea. So then we just cut them into whatever size pieces you want to have. Remember that it's self-raising flour, so they will expand a fair bit. One more. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. And you can see the cinnamon and the sugar in there nicely. Beautiful little bowl. So what's left to do now is just grease the pan. One pan. Just grease it up. I'm just going to use my fingers this time. Beautiful. And now just position these any way you want to. Remember, they're gonna swell, so try and spread them out a little bit. Pop 2 in the middle. Okay, now that's ready for the fire. Okay, so you grab your camp oven. Make sure again you've got a trivet in the bottom. It just keeps the heat off the bottom of your cake tin. Pop that in there. I'm going to put the coals on the inside on my lid again, so on this surface. And hopefully within half an hour we should have a beautiful feed. Okay, that's good to go. We check it every 10 minutes or so, but I reckon within half an hour we should be good. It's nice and warm, so we should get a good feed out of this. Okay, so it's been about 35 minutes. Pretty sure they're done. Just going to check now and we'll have a look. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, the smell, you can smell it. You just smell the cinnamon. Alright, let's get them out. Oh, actually, oh, they're loose in there too. How good is that? Okay, I'll get them over to the table. Oh, still that hinge is a bit hot still. Pops straight off. Oh man, they smell so good. I'm really impressed that it just comes. Oh yeah, it's hot. Okay, so we'll just break them up. Guys, I would say that it's cooked to perfection. Wow, it smells so good. Nice and warm still. Alright, just going to try a small one. We'll give that one a go. It smells so good. I smell the cinnamon in there. That's good. Maybe a dollop of cream would be good too. But definitely give that a go. That's beautiful. Okay, so that's me done. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to tuck into some of these, and when everyone else comes home, they'll have some as well. But I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.